Hello, I'm Tom Barron from Proximity Learning, and this is Canvas in a Minute. Today we're going to learn how to export your grades. So you can click on grades to the left. This is in any course homepage you have. Click on grades. Once you're in grades, you're going to click on actions over here. That's going to give you this drop-down bar where you can do an export and you can see your previous export. Now, an export is it's going to turn that into a CSV Excel file that you can then attach and send to your TA if they need that to input the district grades. So you can just click export, don't do anything with import, click on export. And you see that note, Gradeport is exporting. So you'll have a file. So now you see the file comes up and it's got the name here at the top and it's asking you where you want to save it. So, you can put it in your right folder, you can put it in your download folder, wherever you want. You can go ahead and hit save. And now you have that file saved in one of your local hard drive folders, so you can include it as an attachment in your email with your TA. All right, that's all for today. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.